Drone footage captures a close-quarters encounter at a Ukrainian trench position, a lone Russian fighter advancing directly on the line. The sequence that follows is rare in footage released from this conflict. The engagement does not end with a strike. It ends with a Ukrainian soldier surrendering and being taken into custody. Close-quarters combat at trench level produces outcomes that long-range drone strikes do not. This footage is a reminder that the front line is not only an aerial battlefield, and that at the point where individual soldiers meet face-to-face, the outcomes are not always determined from above. An FPV drone targeted and struck one of two soldiers positioned at a Ukrainian armed forces trench in the Sumy region. Attack units of the Rychry Regiment, part of the Central Group, carried out a powerful strike that blew up the headquarters of the Ukrainian armed forces. A Russian FPV drone, positioned in standby mode along the Sumy route, immediately activates its engine and takes off toward Ukrainian pickup trucks as soon as it detects their movement. Don't forget to share your thoughts about the video in the comments below. Remember to like and subscribe for more updates. A Russian FPV drone in standby mode detects an enemy pickup truck and launches an engagement. The personnel inside notice the drone moments before impact, but have limited time to exit the vehicle as the situation unfolds rapidly. Footage captures the moment of a strike on a gas station in the Dnipropetrovsk region, showing the impact on civilian infrastructure as the situation unfolds. Another Ukrainian paratrooper group met a decisive and unsuccessful end. During a night operation, the attack was carried out by UAV operators attached to the 11th Airborne Brigade, operating under the cover of darkness, with precision and full situational awareness. In the footage, infantrymen positioned in the back of a pickup truck opened fire, expending 2 to 3 full magazines, in a desperate attempt to bring down the incoming Russian FPV drone. But their efforts proved futile. Every round fired, every attempt to evade, fell short. The FPV drone, unwavering and precisely guided, continued its approach and completed its mission. Another night operation, another failed Ukrainian attempt to counter the relentless and precise work of Russian UAV operators on the modern battlefield. Ukrainian and Russian FPV drones collided mid-air after failing to avoid each other, resulting in both platforms being lost during the encounter. Impressive footage captures one of today's strikes on identified targets in the Dnipropetrovsk region, highlighting the scale and precision of the operation. On the Kherson axis, units of the 49th Army continue conducting sustained strike operations against opposing forces, maintaining pressure along the front line. The reconnaissance units of the 58th Army made a significant and critical discovery. What the Ukrainian armed forces had carefully and deliberately concealed was found: a command center belonging to the unit holding the defensive line in the direction of Orikhiv. The coordinates were immediately relayed to the attack drone operators of the 71st Guards Motorized Rifle Regiment. From that point forward, what followed was purely a matter of execution. They worked by day, and they worked by night. There were no days off, no pauses, and no coffee breaks. Strike after strike, mission after mission, the operators of the 71st Guards Motorized Rifle Regiment maintained relentless and sustained pressure on the identified command center until the objective was fully and completely achieved, a seamless demonstration of coordinated reconnaissance and precision drone strike capability, working together with discipline and unwavering operational commitment on the modern battlefield. It can effectively engage fortified dugout positions. Crews of the Center Group of Forces operating the BMPT Terminator from the 90th Tank Division are shown improving their skills at training grounds. During exercises, soldiers train to support assault detachments and tanks, engage armored targets, and counter anti-tank guided missile (ATGM) teams. The focus is on coordination, accuracy, and adapting to different combat scenarios. Gunner Nikita Vasilkin speaks about the vehicle's weapon systems, highlighting its firepower and versatility in supporting frontline operations. Source: Russian Defense Ministry. Footage captures the aftermath of a drone strike on a low UAZ-type vehicle along a dirt road, recorded by members of an evacuation team who arrived at the scene shortly after the incident. The video shows the vehicle heavily damaged along a logistical route, underscoring the increasing vulnerability of lightly protected transport in frontline conditions. The evacuation team's presence highlights the immediate response required following such incidents, as personnel assess the situation and secure the area. Overall, the sequence illustrates how even routine movement along supply routes carries significant risk, with drone activity continuing to impact mobility and logistics in active operational zones.
Все. Раз, два, три, ушел.
Russian forces detected and destroyed a D-20 howitzer near the village of Tokarino in the Kherson region. Another Ukrainian artillery asset located and eliminated. Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. A Russian drone, armed with a thermobaric warhead, closed in on a Ukrainian armed forces position. The strike was delivered with devastating and overwhelming effect. A weapon of extraordinary destructive capability, unleashed with precision, leaving the targeted position completely and utterly neutralized. From a Russian perspective, FPV drone units of the 80th Separate Guards Reconnaissance Battalion Sparta are shown engaging a Ukrainian armed forces pickup truck and nearby infantry along a logistics route in the Myrnograd area, maintaining real-time tracking and coordinated drone activity during the operation. Every like, every comment, it's fuel. For the crews in danger, for the editors in motion, for the truth that must be seen. Your engagement keeps the front line visible. Thank you for standing with us. In the Kharkiv region, the Frodo crew of Russia's 68th Motorized Infantry Division, part of the Leningrad Military District, has earned a reputation as one of the division's most lethal and efficient strike teams. Footage from recent operations shows the crew executing ambushes with ruthless precision, using terrain advantage and coordinated firepower to intercept Ukrainian armed forces convoys. Cargo trucks and armored vehicles are caught in kill zones, destroyed before they can react. The Frodo crew operates like a well-oiled machine, silent, deliberate, and merciless. Their tactics combine traditional infantry discipline with modern battlefield intelligence, making them a nightmare for advancing units. Ukrainian troops caught in their path face overwhelming force and almost no chance to respond. In this area, the Frodo crew doesn't just fight, they dominate, turning every encounter into a demonstration of tactical brutality. November 6, 2025, UAV operators assigned to the southern military region carried out a precision strike on an enemy shelter, neutralizing the personnel inside.